Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we dive deep into the gear that matters. Today, we're featuring what I consider the best 2-channel USB audio interface on the market right now, the Mackie Onyx Producer 2X2. Let's find out what makes it a top contender for home studios, musicians on the go, and content creators alike. Right out of the box, the Mackie Onyx Producer 2X2 sets a solid tone. It features a clean, all-metal chassis that feels incredibly sturdy. This thing is built like a tank. Which means you don't have to worry about it surviving the rigors of travel or even just the chaos of a messy desk. It's compact enough to fit in a backpack but feels premium in every way. Now, let's talk about connectivity. On the front panel, you've got two combo XLR, TRS inputs. These are not just basic inputs. They're powered by Mackie's acclaimed Onyx mic preamps, which offer up to 60 decibels of gain. That's a huge plus for anyone using gain-hungry dynamic microphones like the Shure SM7B. You also get individual gain controls with LED signal and overload indicators for each input, a practical touch that helps you dial in levels fast and accurately. Round the back, you get MIDI in and out, a feature that many interfaces in this price range skip. So if you're a keyboardist or someone working with MIDI gear, this is a game changer. You'll also find balanced TRS main outputs and the USB port, which powers the unit and connects it to your computer. No separate power supply needed, a win for portability. Sound quality is where the Onyx Producer 2X2 really delivers. Thanks to 24-bit, 192 kHz converters, your recordings are crystal clear with plenty of dynamic range. Whether you're tracking vocals, guitar, or synths, the audio comes through with impressive fidelity. The Onyx preamps give you clean, transparent sound with just a touch of musical warmth. It's perfect for a variety of genres and applications. Latency, or the lack of it, is another strong point. With its direct monitoring switch, you can listen to your input signal in real time with zero latency. This is essential for recording vocals or live instruments without any distracting delay. And the headphone output has plenty of power to drive high-impedance studio headphones without issue. Setting it up is a breeze. It's class-compliant on Mac and works seamlessly with most DAWs on both Mac and Windows. Just plug it in, set your preferences in your DAW, and you're ready to record. For Windows users, Mackie provides dedicated drivers to ensure rock-solid performance. Whether you're a solo musician, a podcaster, or someone diving into audio production, the Onyx Producer 2X2 strikes an amazing balance between professional features and budget-friendly pricing. It doesn't try to be flashy, it just works, and it works very well. If you need a reliable, road-ready interface with great sound, versatile connectivity, and solid build quality, the Mackie Onyx Producer 2X2 is an excellent choice. You get high-end performance without the high-end price tag. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest gear reviews. This has been Product Critique. See you in the next one.